Mom left a lot of unfinished projects. Here's one, an unfinished piece for a throw pillow. I then matched it with other pieces of scrap fabric she left. I made a template of a cat and fit it into the scrap fabric. I combined it with a thin layer of batting and backing fabric. Then I attached it to the base. I added a border so it would fit my pillow. Don't forget to iron as you go. The original project had some batting, so I combined it for my project. Sandwich with batting and stabilize with pins, or you can sew temporary stitches on it. I didn't want to get pricked, so I just stabilized with temporary stitches. Then I quilted on the sides. Mom also left a lot of buttons, so I tried to see what would match the project the best. I eventually chose these swirly eyes because they were unique. And then I embroidered the nose, the mouth, and some whiskers. The cat looked strange, so I decided to add a tail. I made a template and cut the shape on another scrap fabric to make the tail. I sewed it on some backing fabric and then snipped the sides before I flipped it. Then I added the tail. I realized the eyes weren't as striking, so I changed it to a black button. After I finished the front side of the pillow, I then worked on preparing the back side. It's just two pieces of overlapping fabric to make it easier for me to finish. It's easier to attach and I don't need to add Velcro or a zipper. With both sides done, I then made some binding. To finish the project, I closed it with binding. Now I have a new cat throw pillow made with Mom's unfinished project and scrap fabrics. And I made the blue version too.